This is the display that has the image on the business card where that was taken from. Now that lives up front on the desk where the cartridge collection resides, where you're going to find early pinfire shot shells, rimfire shot shells. Shot shells from the 1920s, 1930s, packaging in excellent condition. Lots of early pinfire and rimfire cartridges from the mid to late 1800s. And stuff you just don't see all that often, Trounds. Early packaging, lots of early rimfire cartridges. And of course, Civil War as well. Happy trails.